Hey everybody, today I'm here with your Phomemo shipping label printer, and I'm going to teach you how to use it and show you how simple it is to use. So I decided to download the app on my computer. So we're going to go to the app. It was super simple to download. It gives you all the instructions. You can also download it on your cell phone. So what I'm going to do is we're going to print some like random stuff. So since I already have the page up, we're going to copy and paste the Phomemo shipping label printer. We're going to copy that. We're going to go back down here, and then you're going to hit text right here. And you can't paste, but all you have to do is hit Ctrl+V, and look, there it goes right there. Then you can make it as big as you want. You can come over here and you can actually change the font. Check that out. Let's make it a little bit bigger. There you go. Let's do another one. Hit text. And remember, we have to hit Ctrl+V. Let's see. We're going to change the font. Ooh, let's see the monogram. We're going to hit text again. Looks like there's a lot of features on here. Alright, so I've been playing with it a little bit longer, and we're going to keep this P right here. And then I came over here and wrote the word Phomemo. We're going to move this P back over here. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? Alright, now guess what we're going to do? We're going to hit print. Watch how fast it prints. Here we go. Look at that. That's so nice.